Hello, my name is Andrew Flushy, and I'm your Virginia DUI attorney. Sometimes potential clients and clients ask me about getting their charge amended to a reckless driving case. They may have heard about something called a wet reckless case on the internet. Unfortunately, I'm here to tell you that in Fredericksburg, Spotsylvania, and Stafford, wet reckless outcomes don't happen all that often. This is why I say in some other videos that lawyer success rates can be misleading, because in some courts it may be relatively easy to get a DUI amended to a wet reckless. And unfortunately, I see people hiring those attorneys from other areas and bringing them to the Fredericksburg area thinking they're going to magically get a wet reckless outcome, when unfortunately that typically just is not the case. Now, what do I mean by a wet reckless? That's typically where a DUI charge is amended to a reckless driving charge, and the person is found guilty of that offense, but they still have several quite significant punishments, such as 6 months loss of their license, the ASAP class, fines, and things like that. So they still have to go through quite a few hoops, but it's not a DUI conviction, and so it could be quite a significant win. Now, this can happen in some cases, and that's something you would definitely want to talk with me about so we can determine whether or not a wet reckless could be possible in your case in the Fredericksburg, Spotsylvania, or Stafford area. But again, if you're talking with an attorney who isn't in this area, they may not know what they're talking about, frankly, as far as the possibilities of getting such an outcome in our local courts.